I am Samir Lahiri from Krishnagar Diocese, West Bengal. I am the National Council member of CCBI Commission for Laity. Today, the 3 days seminar, the topics were really relevant because Synodal Church, it is the high time to work together, to journey together for the development of the whole mankind. It is very, very relevant topics, and personally, I gained more that topics were discussed on the poverty and eco-friend, caring of children and youth, peace building, inter-religious dialogue, which is very, very important to the scenario of our motherland. So, church is thinking, and we should follow these instructions so that we can improve our whole society, not only our community, but through our gesture, through our love to other people, we will be able to establish our motherland, a peaceful motherland, and our country will be fulfilled with peace and harmony, which is very, very important at this time. Thank you so much.